This week I am testing the very beautiful and different looking Hyundai Ioniq 6. This is a fully electric 5-seater car. Let's find out how good it is as a baby drive, and don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on our socials. The child seat section of this review is brought to you by Infasecure. In the back of the Hyundai Ioniq 6, there are ISOFix in the two outer rear seats. They're not within plastic guides, but they're nice and easy to connect to. There are 3 top tether anchorages in the back here behind each of the rear headrests in the fixed parcel shelf. Now, I found those actually really nice and easy to access when I was installing the child seats. I was able to fit 3 Infasecure child seats really nice and easily in the back here. These rear seats are really nice and wide, so you can easily fit 3 across. I have got the Infasecure Attain More, Momentum More and the Adapt More infant capsule in the back here. And legroom is fantastic in the Ioniq 6. With the rear-facing Infasecure Adapt More capsule, we can easily fit a 186cm driver or taller in the driver's seat. To learn more about the child seats used in this video, just click on the link here. Storage in the back of the Hyundai Ioniq 6 is good. There is a fold down in the central seat back with 2 cup holders. They will hold a reusable or disposable coffee cup, and a child's drink cup easily fits there too. In the back of both front seats there are net mat pockets that will hold but not conceal an iPad, and in the back of the central console box there are 2 USB-C sockets, and there's also a storage area underneath for phones. Now, the door bins are really good in the back here. There's too small for a refillable water bottle, but I found a kid's drink cup will fit. There's also room in them for an iPad, and there's also a little slot for a mobile phone and another long slot along the top where a mobile phone will fit too. Storage in the front of the Hyundai Ioniq 6 is good too. There are 2 cup holders in the central console, will hold a reusable or a disposable coffee cup, and in front of them is a wireless phone charging pad and USB socket. The central console box is quite small, but it's got 2 USB-C sockets in there. The glove box is a drawer, which is fantastic. Can easily fit an iPad in there with the manual. Now, underneath the central console bridge is a really nice big storage area, and you can easily fit an iPad in there or your handbag or anything like that. The doors are really good storage in the front here as well. You can fit a refillable water bottle in them, and an iPad fits in them easily too, and there's a storage slot along the doors that you can pop your phone in as well. In the back of the central console box there are aircon vents, which are fantastic for keeping little passengers in the back the right temperature while you're driving along. There's also a general domestic household plug socket in the back there too, which is really good for when your kids are falling asleep in the back and you're sat there while they have their nap, and you can do work on your laptop and have it plugged in charging. The media system in the Hyundai Ioniq 6 is really lovely and modern. It's simple to use and to navigate. Now, you've got your EV screen there, which is really great. You can see how many Ks you've got left, and that's with the aircon off, and then if you put the aircon on, it tells you the different amounts of battery usage that you'll have, which is really useful with EV cars. Now, there's some things in here that I love, like quiet mode, which brings the sound from the back speakers to the front when your little ones fall asleep in the back. There's also Voice Memo, which I love as well, not for recording work notes like normal people, but for conversations with my kids in the car. There's also Apple CarPlay and Android Auto in here, which are fantastic. When you put it into reverse, those camera images are really lovely and clear. You've also got the around 360 camera there too, which makes parking really nice and easy. And you can turn the parking sensors off with a button just down in the central console there. The boot door of the Hyundai Ioniq 6 opens and closes really easily with just touch buttons, which is great. Let's find out how much we can fit in the boot. Empty will hold 14 shopping bags, or a twin side-by-side pram and 5 shopping bags, a single pram and 6 shopping bags, or a compact stroller and 10 shopping bags. Our friends at Infagroup have also provided us with their new Jiffle Wagon. This is a versatile 6-in-1 pram. Let's also see how well it fits in various configurations. The Jiffle Wagon in fast fold with the Adapt More infant capsule installed into the car fits with 5 shopping bags. The Jiffle Wagon in fast fold with its seat fits with 1 shopping bag. The Jiffle Wagon in fast fold with bassinet fits with 1 shopping bag. And the Jiffle Wagon cart in fast fold fits with 6 shopping bags. Thanks again to Infagroup for letting us test their new Jiffle Wagon. The Ioniq 6 is really nice and easy to charge with the socket on the back side here. It does around 600 or more kilometres to a full battery charge. You can drive the Hyundai Ioniq 6 forwards and backwards just using the key fob here, which is really fantastic. It's handy when you've got little kids in the car, getting them in and out of car parking spaces or garages without them opening the doors into cars parked either side of them. The Hyundai Ioniq 6 is a really lovely car to drive. Being electric, it's really lovely and quiet and smooth, and you've got those great benefits of when your children fall asleep in the back, you can park up and you can have the air conditioning on, things like that, without churning through fuel. You're just using a battery. Now, visibility is fantastic in here. Really lovely and spacious inside, really good windows. You can see out of the back windscreen even with 3 child seats installed, and really nice and easily out of the rear side windows too. Now, if that's not enough, there's also a rear view camera that you can put on while you're driving along too, and you've got indicator cameras in the driver's display as well. Now, parking and manoeuvring is really nice and easy with that visibility, and it's really nice around town as well, being quiet, and you've got lovely light steering too. So to sum up with the Hyundai Ioniq 6, it does make a fantastic family car. You can fit those 3 Infasecure child seats really nice and easily across the back seats, and legroom is fantastic in here. Boot space is good, being able to fit a twin pram or a really big family shop. The drive is lovely and quiet with all those family benefits of it being fully electric, and the media system and cameras are excellent.